Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths1. In today's video, we will solve a question on histogram, which is a part of the syllabus of O-level mathematics or IGCSE mathematics. Here are two QR codes for all my videos I have made on key stage 3 and 4 maths. So this topic is about histogram. You need to understand what type of graph is called histogram. So I have shown here the graph. This is called histogram. You can see there is no gap between the bars, and if you see here, this is something important. On the y-axis it is written frequency density. I have taken example, but first of all I want to explain it a bit. Frequency density is basically frequency divided by class width, right? So if you see here, for the first bar, which is from here to here, the interval is of 10 units, right? 10 hours. If you see in the second one, it is 5 hours. So this is 5, this is 10, this distance is again 5, 10, 10, 10. So if you see, the class width is basically, if I talk about the first bar, the distance between interval is 10 units, and frequency density is what? 6. So this is 6. So what is the frequency? I can easily figure out. Frequency is equals to 60. So frequency is the area of the bar. This is something very important for you to know. So frequency density is frequency divided by class width. When we have unequal group interval, now when I will take an example of the question, then I will explain that concept. So first of all, let's do this quickly. You can put the video on pause and fill this just to have a good grip on the topic. So if interval is given to you and frequency density is given to you. So how will you find out frequency? What was the formula? Frequency density is equals to frequency divided by class width or width of the interval. So frequency density is given to you 0.6. Frequency you don't know, and class width is 10. So straight away you just multiply this by this, you will get frequency 6. Similarly here, 1.6 multiplied by, what is the interval? 5 units, right? So 1.6 into 5 is 8. Very good. Now in this case, third case, to find out frequency density, you will do frequency divided by class width. So 12 divided by 5, because from 15 to 20 it is 5. So 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. Similarly, 3 divided by 20, because from 20 to 40 there are 20 units, it is 0.14. So this is how you find out frequency density. This was just an example to show you. So can you tell this answer quickly within 1 minute? Okay, not more than that. So you can put the video on pause and I am explaining here. The histogram shows the length of time in hours. Units are very important. That some adults watched TV last week. How many adults watched TV between 10 and 15? It is 10 from here and 15 it is ending here, right? So how many units? 5 units. And what is the frequency density? 8. What was the formula? Frequency density is equals to frequency over width, interval. So interval is 5 units. Frequency we have to find out, and frequency density is what? 8. So 8 times 5 is 40. So this is your answer, right? Now let's do one past paper question and then we will end this video. So the purpose is to go through one question in detail. Next video will have a challenging question. Now a survey asked 90 people, I'm reading this. A survey asked 90 people how much money they give to charity in 1 month. The histogram shows the detail of the survey. You have to complete the frequency table first of all. Then we will see what was part B. So how will you fill this out? 0 to 10, first one is given to you. So second one is from 10 to 25. So you can write 10. Sorry, with 10 you will not use equal to sign because with 0 it was not here, right? So with the second upper limit we will include it. So it is 25. Then from 25 to 30, right? This one. Then 30 to 35. 30 to 35. And then 35 to 50. 35 to 50. And the last is 50 to 60. So after filling this out, now you have to fill out the frequency. And how do you calculate frequency? Frequency is representing the area of the bar, right? So just like the area of the formula, length into width. So class interval multiply by this frequency density. Okay. And if you see from here to here, there are 10 boxes. So each box will be counted as 0.1. So here it is what? 1.3. So what is 1.3 multiplied by 5? Oh, sorry, 10. It is 10. So 10 multiplied by 1.3 is what? 13. Okay, because you're filling a frequency. So it is 10 multiplied by 1.3. Just writing here in case if you want to know. And here the width is what? 15. From 10 to 25 it is 15. So 15 multiplied by, what is the reading here? 2.2. So 15 multiplied by 2.2 is 33. Then 25 to 30 is 5 unit, right? So 5 into, and this bar is going up till where? Up till here, 3.8. Okay. So 5 into 3.8, keep calculator in your hand. I'm also using the calculator. 19. This one is already done for you, so you don't need to worry about it. Just a minute. So now this one, 35 to 50, from here till here. So this is 15, right? So 15 times, it is going up till the height of 1. So it is 15 times 1 is 15. Then 50 to 60 is 10. 10 units time, it is here 0.6. So it will become 6. So if you add up these numbers, answer should be equal to what? 90. That will show you have calculated correctly. Okay, because the total should come 90 now. So this is how you will complete your table. Now the next part of the question is saying, using your frequency table, calculate an estimate of the mean. So we know the formula for the mean is what? Sigma fx divided by sigma f. So sigma f to I know is 90. But what about sigma fx? This is my frequency and this is the data. Now in the group data, your x value is the mid value of the upper and lower limit. So 0 to 10, mid value is 5. Here 10 to 25. How will you calculate if you cannot do it mentally? Yes, you are right. You will add up 10 and 25 and divide it by 2. So 17.5. Then the mid value of 25 and 30 is 27.5. Then mid value of 30 and 35 is 32.5. Then mid value of 35 and 50 is add 35 plus 50 and divide it by 2. Okay, so you will get 42.5. Then mid value of 50 and 60 is 55. Now these values will multiply by what? By the frequency. So 5 multiplied by 13. Let me write here. Sigma fx mean frequency multiplied by data, right? So it is 13 into 5 plus what I will write? 33 into 17.5. Then sigma mean plus, so I'm adding up. Then 19 times 27.5. then 4 times 32.5, then 15 times 42.5, and last 6 times 55, right? So you will divide it by 90. So let's pick up the calculator. I have done this addition. So it is equals to, but you have to check, I'm sure it is not incorrect, 4525. Okay, so mean value is coming 25.138. We give an answer in 3 significant figure. So you can stop here. So I hope you understood this question. Next question will be, the link will be given in the description below, so you can watch it. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to press like and subscribe button.